Good morning. Today I'm going to take you through 7 movements that you can add to your morning routine. I know that after a full night's sleep, I feel tightness all through my body. So adding these stretches to my daily routine really helps me prepare myself for the day. I'm Kori, personal trainer at BeneFitness. Here at our channel, we are all things wellness. We want to help you on your fitness journey. So some of our other videos, we have exercise tips and tricks, nutritional tips and tricks, also some workouts that you can do on your own or with us. So go check those out when we're done with this morning mobility. Go find some open space and we're gonna do it together. Now that you found some open space, let's begin seated on the ground. Let's start with some neck rolls. I want you to bring your right ear to your right shoulder. And then I want you to bring your chin to the sky, rotating all the way back. Left ear to left shoulder, down to chin to chest. And then go in the opposite direction. Left ear to left shoulder, chin to sky. Right ear to right shoulder, chin to chest. Go back one more each side, each big circle. Right ear to right shoulder, chin to sky. Left ear to left shoulder, chin to chest. And other direction. Left ear to left shoulder, chin to sky. Right ear to right shoulder, chin to chest. Great. Whew, my neck definitely could use some of those. Okay, we're gonna come into a kneeling position, so you're nice and tall. Then I want you to stick your left leg out to the side. In this position, toes are forward, hips are square. I want you to reach your right arm to the ceiling. Left arm is gonna try to trace your left leg as you look up towards your right arm and reach your side body over to your left side. In this position, open up those ribs towards the ceiling as you side bend. And then come back, relax, and then side bend again. So we're gonna move dynamically through some of these, not holding them for very long, just 1 or 2 breaths and relax. Let's do 2 more. Side bend, open up those ribs towards the ceiling. It's gonna really get that twisted position. Often people kind of collapse down, you don't get the full benefits. And relax, 1 more, side bend down. And relax. We're gonna keep this leg out to the side. Now I want you to put your hands in front of you. We're going to actively pull our left foot towards our right knee. And then we are going to open our body away from our front leg to a twist. And back down, and we're gonna twist the other way and open. Give you some nice twisting through your spine and stretching through your adductor. Open away from your foot. Keep your shoulder away from your ear. Hand down, rotate towards your foot. Actively pulling that foot towards your knee. If you wanna push your butt back a little bit, you can for a deeper stretch, but still add that twist. And back up. All right, both hands are down on the ground. Place your knees right underneath your hips. Then you're gonna place your knees a little bit wider than hip width distance. Flare out those feet. This is a frogger pose. You're gonna come to your forearms, and then we're going to push our butt back between those heels. When you're doing this, kind of give an arch in your tailbone, kind of like your tailbone is reaching the sky as you push back. What often happens when we do this is sometimes people just let their butt collapse down, which we don't want to do. We want to make sure our tailbone is slightly reaching for the sky as our butt reaches between our heels. Let's just kind of rock back and forth together, making sure your feet are splayed out like a little froggy, back and forth. Still giving that slight arch in your tailbone. Let's do 2 more. All right, now come back up, knees underneath your hips. Stick your right leg out to the side, nice and tall, hips forward. Reach your left arm to the ceiling, right arm on the side of your leg, and side bend. Remember to open up those ribs, nice and tall, and side bend. In this side bend, open up your ribs. Feel that nice stretch through your side body, and back up. Let's do 2 more. Side bend. Reach that arm in the opposite direction towards that foot. And last one. All right, and back down. Let's put our hands right underneath our shoulders. We're gonna do our T-spine rotation. So you're going to first open up away from your knee. Nice twist, shoulders away from your ears. Push through the floor. Hand down, rotate towards that knee. actively pull your right foot towards your knee. If you want to push your butt back a little bit further to get a deeper stretch through your inner thigh, you can do that. And twist. One more each side. Open, twist. You might find a little sticky as you rotate away from that straight leg. And back down. Let's put your knees back underneath your hips. I'm going to turn sideways. I want you to tuck your toes under. Just press your body back up into a downward dog. Pressing your heels, alternating into the ground. We're just kind of working through the back side of your body, actively pushing your heart towards your thighs. Get back and forth. We're just going to do 4 more, pedaling those legs, pushing your hands into the ground. And then I want you to walk your feet towards your hands as best as you can. Wide feet, about the hip width distance apart, a little bit further, as best as you can, so your feet are planted on the ground. Then we're just going to sit our butt down into a squat position, press our butt back up, and sit it down, keeping your heels into the ground, press back up. Do 3 more, sit it down. We're stretching through the back side of our body, and back down. 1 more, push through that ground if you can. And then sit into your squat position, put those knees under your hips. We're going to still be in our tabletop position, knees under hips, and then I'm going to have you walk your hands forward to a nice angled position. Really want you to actively reach your tailbone towards the sky. Let your forehead fall down to the ground, pushing your forehead into the ground, reaching your heart towards the ground as well. We're going to stretch through that upper back and your shoulders. If you want to tilt your head up so your chin is on the ground, that works too. If you want to sway your hips from side to side a little bit, just find that movement all the way through that upper body and your hips. Find if whether your forehead feels right, maybe it's your chin. Just really getting that arch through your back. We're rounded forward way too often through the day. Good, and then slowly rock it up and forward, nice and controlled. And sit back. Whew. Hopefully that loosened up your body. These 7 movements are made to wake up your body, get you ready to take on the day. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video if you did. Check out some of our other videos, especially if you're trying to move forward in your wellness journey, because we want to come alongside of you in that. We'll see you next time.